What's the meaning of bombardment? Bombardment. Bombardment.
Bombardment. Bombardment.
Bombardment refers to a continuous and heavy attack on a specific target, usually with some kind of weaponry or explosives. This can result in a range of outcomes depending on the type and intensity of the bombardment. In some cases, the target may be completely destroyed or rendered inoperable, while in others the damage may be limited but still significant. The impact of bombardment can also extend beyond the physical destruction of a target, causing psychological trauma and disrupting social and economic systems.
Ultimately, the result of bombardment is the imposition of force and violence, often with devastating consequences for those affected.